we've seen where transition metals can be found on the periodic table. Now let's talk about their physical properties. Transition metals are harder, stronger metals with higher and melting boiling points than the other metals, than the alkali metals and then the alkaline earth metals. Transition metals are harder, stronger, and have higher and boiling and melting points. Okay, they also have higher densities than the group 1 elements. Transition metals are ductile. When we say something is ductile, a metal is ductile, that means it can be drawn into wires. Over here you see coils of these metals. Now this metal you see here is copper. Okay, now copper has been drawn into wires, as you can see here. Transition metals are malleable. When we say a metal is malleable, that means it can be beaten into sheets. Here you can see the metal in a flat sheet or flat sheets of metal. If you've watched those movies in which swords were used, you could see that as the sword is being manufactured, the manufacturer hits the sword, the red hot sword, very hard with a hammer. That is a property of transition metals. It can be beaten into sheets. And then lastly, they are good conductors of heat and electricity.